How to enroll in Zelle on Wells Fargo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can enroll in Zelle from the Wells Fargo mobile app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to enroll in Zelle for the Wells Fargo mobile app, all you have to do is first of all launch the Wells Fargo mobile application, then sign into your mobile banking account as you would normally do. Then once you sign into your mobile banking account, on the next page select on which account you want to enroll the Zelle from, or you can just tap on the pay and transfer button from the bottom. Then tap on the option called send money and then just tap on Zelle button as you can see. So basically once you tap on that, it'll ask you a couple of warnings. Tap on the go ahead button, tap on get started, accept the terms and conditions and tap on accept here. Then over here to enroll for Zelle, you can actually go ahead and simply enter your phone number or your email address. You can select your phone number. After you enter your phone number, enter the verification code that will be sent to that mobile number. Then just tap on the verify button. Then after you do that, select an account, checking or savings account of your bank account. Then after you do that, just tap on save, and now you've successfully enrolled for Zelle, and now you can send and receive money with Zelle. Now if you want to send or request money, then of course you can tap on send and request. For that we already have another dedicated video. I'm not going to cover them up here. And that's basically it on how you can enroll in Zelle on the Wells Fargo mobile app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.